Um, Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another Zoom session webinar, basically, with regards to the market, right? It's the first day. I was waiting for the first day of May to look at the market clearly. So with that said, let's get straight to it. I'm about to share my screen. Okay. So what we're looking at currently is the week, right? So first things first, always look at the calendar, right? What's happening in the news. So today is Wednesday. I was waiting for Wednesday to do the video. Um, I'll do another video Monday early. But yeah, but I just had to do this one late because I was waiting for the first. So anyway, there's holidays across a lot of countries today, so it's not a good trading day. But we have this ADP, and then we have this interest rate at 8. So those are probably the two interesting news, but what we're looking for is what's going to happen here. So, and then we have NFP on the same week. So interest rate, USD interest rate always moves the market, right? Any interest rate actually for any specific country, but USA and um what can I say? America and Great Britain are the biggest market movers, right? So anything with that has USD first, and then anything that has GBP second, right? So that's why most of the time you'll see me analyzing USD pairs more than any other currency, because I'm looking for movement and volatility since I'm a day trader. Anyway, so this is what we focusing on today, and then leading on to NFP um, Friday, right? With that said, as well, we must keep in mind what's happening next week, which usually it's this thing. It's what we call a CPI usually is here, but it's not here next week. So with looking at what's happening next week now, we know that GBP is the most affected pair next week. So, and there's no USD high impact news. So a lot of movement is going to happen this week within USD, you see. So that tells us that this is an important week. This is the high volatile week. So we should focus on USD and then next week GBP. Anyway, let's look at the market and see what is happening. Okay, so this is going to be a short video. Just be aware, guys, that when it's NFP, the first week of a specific month, right? When it says NFP, before, a long time ago, maybe 2015, it used to be quiet during the whole week, and then there's a lot of movement, like here on a Friday, like big spike, and everybody was trying to trade the big spike, right? But what has occurred throughout the years is the movement that would happen here, right, is now happening throughout the week. So the high volatility happens throughout the week, not just so this actually doesn't do as much as it used to, it doesn't move as much as it used to because now they've moved the volatility into the whole week. So when there's NFP week, just know that there's high volatility throughout the week. Don't focus on just the Friday, focus on the whole week, right? So there's a lot of spikes that happen. Okay, cool. Let's look at what's going to happen to USD quickly without wasting time. Um, what I saw from basically yesterday, right? Unfortunately, whoever's watching this video won't see the move. But anyway, if you're looking at it from a higher time frame, this is dollar index, right? So I'm predicting this move to happen, right? Right until there. And I've been predicting it since it started here. So that move, it's happening. So there's always a push, retracement. So that's one, two. I'm waiting for a push, a retracement for the last time, then a final push. So I'm expecting something like that there, right? A push, a retracement. So I'm expecting next week this to happen. But for now, we're pushing high. So dollar, dollar strength, right? We continue with the dollar strength, right? So with that said, if we're looking at USD pairs now, um, and it is happening, the dollar strength is happening because before the reset chart, this happened, then we expected that breakout. Same thing like here, it retraced, then the breakout came. Retraced, then the breakout is happening. So yeah, this just happened yesterday. So yeah, I sent the signal to my signal group that that's a buy anyway. There, breakout to the upside. Cool. So with USD strength, that means Euro USD, what I did predict from Friday and last week, that there's a head and shoulders, right? And if you know the rules of head and shoulder, if there's a breakout of the neckline, right, price must come back and retest that zone where it broke out to confirm that head and shoulders and then drop. So came back, broke out, came back, hit the neckline, and then I said sells, was predicting sells, and they are happening. So yeah, that's coming to the downside. USD strength here as well. You know, I predicted a turn somewhere here, just a little spike out, but we are dropping, right? So I'm expecting USD strength throughout. Gold, same thing. I saw some, obviously the head and shoulders won't always be perfect, but there it is. I saw it. Then I'm expecting price to come right down here to the zone before pushing up. Basically, this is what I'm expecting. Um, where's the shape I'm looking for? Yeah, that's one. So what's happening this side must happen that side. So this should happen. Come down here, push up, continue to the downside, right? So that's the move that we are looking forward to. Not a buy zone anymore. We had bought here and then expected that right shoulder to occur. It happened. Obviously, like we say, if there's a break of the neckline, price must come back there, retest. That's when we continue with the sells. So I'm removing that. So yes, bears USD strength. So with USD strength there, obviously USD JPY will buy. But yeah, that's not a good setup because it's creating some higher highs and it's a problem analyzing that. So with USD becoming strong, the indices should drop, right? We're expecting more indice drops. So let's look at it on a higher time frame. We looked for that breakout Then we needed that retest of that zone. So it's waves one. We're looking for 5 waves to the downside. Here's this one, four. We're looking for something like that, right? So yeah, we're looking for the breakout here, come back to that same zone, retest, move further down. So we're looking for sells there. And yeah, we're looking for more sells this side as well. So some sort of breakout here. It's supporting at the moment. You can see that last candle is rejecting there, but we are still in a bearish momentum. So trying to buy this is dangerous because anytime it can drop. So yes, we're looking for drops there. Um, yeah, drops on all indices. But anyway, long story short, didn't want to go too deep into this video or too long. We're gonna really analyze the new month next week, but it's NFP week, so this is what we're expecting: sells throughout this for USD strength, and that's what's happening. So just try and catch them. So since this is a highly volatile week, you must catch your day trades properly, must really catch your day trades. There's going to be a lot of spikes. So probably the safest thing to do, wait for next week, you know, because you'll probably get kicked out of your trades. But yeah, if you know how to trade safely with proper stop losses, scalp, you can trade in those directions for USD strength. So yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, we'll cover better next week, the full movement for the month of May. Cheers.